Oh, hey! I didn't see you there. You must be new here. Welcome to Unwrecked. So here's some footage to get you caught up. What has went on my channel while you haven't been here?
Here on Unwrecked, I buy affordable vehicles from Copart and restore them. I am by no means a professional. Everything I do on my channel is just for fun. This is a hobby of mine. If you guys are interested in rebuilding cars from Copart, take a look at my channel. Go check out some of my builds.
It's okay. We all stall. It happens.
And enjoy. Welcome to Unwrecked.